Good afternoon. My name is Isabelle Teare with the WTJX NewsFeed. This is Trial Watch. I am here outside the district courthouse in St. Thomas, where a jury of 12 people have returned a guilty verdict on all counts for Ray Martinez and Jenifer O'Neill. Ray Martinez, the jury four-person, stood up in court today and answered the judge's questions as he ran down through all 10 counts in this case. Ray Martinez was found guilty of 5 counts of honest services wire fraud, 1 count of bribery concerning programs receiving federal funds, 1 count of money laundering conspiracy, 1 count of obstruction of justice, corrupt persuasion, and 1 count of obstruction of justice, falsification of records. Jenifer O'Neill was found guilty on the 2 counts of honest services wire fraud, 1 count of bribery concerning programs receiving federal funds, and 1 count of money laundering conspiracy. As the jury four-person, read these verdicts out in court today, both of the defendants standing beside their attorneys and, didn't give any reaction, serious stoic facial expressions. As the guilty verdicts kept being read, Ray Martinez did shift a little bit, kind of shrugged his shoulders, but other than that, there wasn't a reaction from anyone in court. Jafari Daniel, the son of Jenifer O'Neill, whose name has been mentioned in this case, was also in the courtroom while the verdict was read. Again, just looked on as the jury did this. Ray Martinez's wife was not present in court as the verdict was read. But after we heard the verdict, the judge then discussed with the attorneys the conditions of their pre-sentencing release. And the United States moved to have Ray Martinez self-surrender on February 17th of 2026. He will have to turn himself in at the district court that day by 2 p.m. Jenifer O'Neill, however, they did not move to have the same self-surrender. She is out on the same conditions of her pre-trial release that were set forward in a January 10th order by Magistrate Judge Alan Teague. However, the judge today, Judge Mark Kearney, did say that previously she had been allowed a lot of leniency in this pre-trial time period with her travel. He said he would not be granting that same leniency now that we are awaiting sentencing. Sentencing is expected to be on June 10th of 2026. And at that point, we will have a better idea what both of these defendants are looking at in terms of their sentence. So that was the end of the proceedings today. Both of the defendants left the courthouse, and that is the end of Trial Watch, the United States of America versus Ray Martinez and Jenifer O'Neill. Thank you for tuning in. Again, my name is Isabelle Teare with the WTJX Newsfeed, and this is Trial Watch.